Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you watched a video and you wanted to delete the history that you ever watched that video in the first place, or maybe a search history as well. The easy way to do it is just by tapping on the U button at the very bottom right of your YouTube app. And you can see here is history. Now, a couple different options. We can tap on View All to see your entire watch history, and then start deleting them by tapping on those three dots. And then from here, you can see Remove from Watch History, or you can tap at the very top right and tap on those three dots, and you can see a couple different options. I would recommend, instead of hitting Clear All Watch History, let's hit the Manage All History. This will show everything, including your YouTube searches and even your interactions, your likes or comments, all that stuff. You can see normal your history, but if you tap on interactions here, you can see I could go in and delete or remove my video likes and dislikes, my comments, etc. But let's just tap over to history instead. And you can see as I scroll down various videos that I watched. I can tap on the little X to remove them from my watch or search history, or I could tap on the delete button and hit delete all time. This will delete out my entire history, including all of the videos that I've watched. I can tap on the delete button and then just hit got it. And now it has all been removed. After I've done that, let's go back out of here, back again, and you'll be able to see it says your watch history is now completely clear. There's nothing in there. If you tap on the little search bar as well, there's nothing in your search history as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.